good. Let your shoulder. Yeah, good. Yeah, perfect. Good. You're doing good. Let that open. Yep. Good. Perfect. And now lift the chin up. Left chin, left shoulder. Perfect. See, it was easy. I didn't have to do anything. Okay. Yeah, you move a little better. Okay. So this is long, this is short. We gotta untwist you here. Let's go on your stomach. You're good. Maybe we should get a fan.
Maybe. I mean, normally I have a sweatshirt on all day, so it's very surprising that I'm sweating.
Yeah, normally people are like freezing in here. Okay, so now when we're here, sacrum needs to move a little more. Okay, I'm gonna have you scoot towards your feet just a little bit. There we go, good. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a stretch here. Good. So what else do you have to do for prep?
Well, not much. You stopped my cardio today, so no more cardio.
Okay.
So I don't know what to do with myself. I'm so used to doing it.
Uh-huh. How much do you do?
I was doing an hour a day.
Okay.
40 in the morning, 20 at night.
Are you still working or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm working.
Dang.
Picking up cases here and there.
Good. Okay. Big breath. And out. Dang, I didn't have the microphone on. I got that one right there. All right, we'll keep going over it till we get it. Very good. Yeah, I used to work for a guy. He's not far. He's just up the road, and he's a big guy.
Yeah.
And so he had a lot of big guys that he would meet them at the gym, and they'd come in and they'd want me to adjust them like he did. And I'm like, listen.
Yeah, it's not, doesn't work that way. Yeah, it's Manatee Health and Wellness or something.
Okay.
Have you ever heard of it?
No, I haven't. Good to know. I do have a few guys that come from down there, so.
Oh, really?
But if they ever needed someone good, if you recommend him.
I mean, the only guy, I don't know other chiropractor I know is Dr. Joe Mushalansky. I think he's Express Chiro. He's off of Kennedy.
Okay.
He's a bodybuilder guy, but I don't know. He's kind of fallen off, I think.
Okay. So I still have work to do on this left side. I'm going to get that when we go on our side. So I'm going to do a little bit on this side. This was the short side. And then I think we got a little bit of tension through there. So I'm not going to do super hard, but. So this part right in here, this is where I work on with all my swimmers.
Okay.
If this is locked in and tight, then the scapula don't move as well.
Well, first I thought it was my lat, because one of my lats is shorter. It doesn't open up as much.
Okay. You don't know which one? I can take a look and see what I can tell you. Maybe let me do that and see.
Well, I can see it in pictures, and I would always say to my body work person, but I just can't remember.
Okay.
Better go with
That's okay. I think I told you about in chiropractic school, Anthony Miller, he did bodybuilding, and he did a show right in the middle of like try to, and like, do you deplete your sodium?
Sodium? No.
Or salt?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know. He was doing something, and I don't know
That's
what,
like
but.
the one thing you don't want to
Okay, well, then I'm saying it wrong.
do. Well, you deplete your carbs.
Okay, maybe that's what his brain just wouldn't work, and all he
Yeah,
did
yeah,
was just put his head down.
So that's been me in the last like 2.5 weeks.
Yeah.
And that's Well, you were saying, so
Yeah, so he couldn't function. And I sat behind him, and he would just get in class and sit down and put his head down.
Yeah. What was it, like last week I got home from work and I would just nap for like 2-3 hours, and then I'd get up and eat. I'd nap again for another hour, and I'd go to the gym. And we've been going to bed at like 8:30.
Okay. Yeah.
She's not as depleted as I am. Like, she's not as lethargic. She's been show ready for months because that's just her body. Her coach actually told her, like, you need to downsize. You're too hard. You're too lean. Don't train anything but your glutes right now. And she's been getting like cheat meals and stuff, so she's fine. But for me, it's like it took a hit.
You have more on this side.
More what? More muscle?
Yeah.
So then, yeah, that's the one that's open.
Yeah. So I think, because, okay, so this is shorter. So I might want to do a little bit on that right lat. Or you think the right one opens more than the left?
I have to see a picture of myself to show you. I can't picture it right now. I think it's my left.
Yeah, that's what I was going to change my vote to. It's kind of like being in anatomy class.
Actually, when I got bodywork the first time from this new girl, because the guy I go to, or used to go to, was over here at Metroflex, and he stopped doing it. So I had to find somebody else over where I'm at. And she's another tiny little person, and she wrecked me. She went so hard to where I actually got sick.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
And she actually, I wouldn't say she damaged the muscle, but it caused a lot of water retention.
Yeah. Oh, you can for sure overdo it, and
my whole left side of my like obliques to my lat, it was all just flabby, it was just water. Because she went too hard.
good. Okay, yeah, so you're just mildly red through here, and all I do is try to open that up just enough. Now we'll see what else I need to do. I need to open you up right through here. Nice big breath in. And all the way out. Lift your chin up. Okay, let that go. Yes, good. There we go. I had to wait till this all stopped. Okay, good. Sometimes less is more. I know. When I was competing, I was very, I don't know, I always got my massage 2 days before I competed.
In fencing?
Pentathlon, but multi-sports. I did 5 sports.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, with bodybuilding, it's a little different because you're depleted and you don't want to really hurt the muscle.
Right, yeah. Let me see how the scapula are. Okay.
I'm going back on Wednesday for lymphatic drainage.
Perfect.
I've never had that.
Where are you going for that? Same girl?
She did,
okay.
Yeah. She did wood therapy on me once, and that
was
brutal.
That sounds Soviet.
Soviet? Waterboarding me.
Or beating you with bamboo sticks. Is that kind of what it was?
Not really.
Then I don't know what wood therapy is.
Well, she takes the bamboo stick and just kind of like digs into you with it.
Oh, okay. So she's
Yeah.
using the stick to.
Yeah, to just
I haven't had that.
yeah, you have it.
Mm-mm. I in the Russian saunas, they have bamboo sticks in there
Oh, okay.
that they can hit you with.
What did you look at olive trees, or the olive branches too? Or something like
I
that?
don't know. Probably somewhere else. Turn your head, look to the right, please. Good, and back to the middle. Rest your head down, good. A little bit going on in your lower neck here. First rib. Good, look to the right, back, other right, back to the middle. Shrug your shoulders, relax. So when do you get to eat? Not until you're all done?
Like eat
Look up.
like a burger?
Mm-hmm.
I had one last night,
Oh, good. Press your face straight down and relax.
but it was cold and I wasn't satisfied with it as well.
Why was it cold?
Took forever to get
Oh.
there. Yeah.
Press your face down and relax.
But we already, you ever been to Fat Burger? It's in Riverview.
I don't think so. No.
That is the best burger place in the world. In the world.
Okay, lie on this side.
That's literally where we're going after, because they have, I'm actually, my picture's on the wall.
Oh,
I
really?
ate,
Wait, I've seen pictures of you
yeah,
eating.
a 3XL burger.
Yes.
Two of them.
Two?
Yeah. Oh, that's the best.
Come towards me a little bit. There we go. Good.
That's where we're gonna go after the show.
What does she like to eat?
Same thing. for
Everything? Yeah. That's my favorite thing. Good. Let's see if there's any more in there. Nice big breath. And all the way out. Drop your shoulder. Yeah, good. Let your shoulder. Yeah, good. Yeah, perfect. Got a lot of movement in there. See, it was easy. I didn't have to do anything. Good. We're just going to see if there's anything else. Good. Good. You're doing good. Let that open. Yep. Good. Perfect. On your back. There we go. So I'm gonna do, I got C5 on this side. That's the one that goes to this shoulder. So we'll get the innervation. Unlock your neck. Good. Perfect. You're gonna bring your ear to your shoulder. Now drop that right shoulder. Good. Let that go. Big breath in. And out. Lift the chin up. Good. Same thing. Good. Let that jump. Left shoulder. Perfect. You know what? I'm gonna do a little, I'm not gonna pull, but I'm gonna do the wide strap stretch. Worst case, if I can do some decompression, that'll help a lot too.
Okay.
Good. This one you just have to really relax. And breathe, and then let your shoulders drop, okay? Scoot towards your feet, just a tiny bit. A little bit up, there we go, good. All right. Any pinching anywhere, you good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and breathe, and out. Good. I'm just gonna stretch here. How's that?
Good.
You're fighting it a little bit.
I love it.
Yeah, I was watching your belly. And you were like, ah. I think it's normal. Somebody's got something around your neck.
Maybe it's because I was trying not to laugh. Because
Oh,
I'm
right.
like picturing myself, like my eyes are closed. I'm like, what if I'm taking pictures of me with this?
No, we didn't take any pictures of you. I mean, we do have it on video.
On video, even better.
Good. Let me just check
That
this.
was good. Oh, remember that nerve issue I had?
Yeah.
It's gone.
What did you did? What? Oh, you.
I went to get whatever they call that.
Yeah.
That whatever the thing was.
Injection.
No,
Yeah.
not the injection. Remember, like, oh, go to a neurologist. And
Yeah.
Whatever that machine was.
Oh.
It didn't work. It broke. He's like, oh, you have to come back. And I was like, oh, okay. So I never came back.
Oh, the EMG, like
Yeah.
it was measuring. Okay.
Yeah, it broke. So I got my refund, and then I was like, whatever. I'm not gonna do this. It just went away. I think it was because I just had too much muscle putting too much tension on the nerves,
It'll do that.
and over time it just went away.
Yeah. All right. Let me just see how your hips are. Relax your hamstring. Yeah, just like. Okay, good. Any tension in there? Yeah, lower body. That feels pretty. Any tension there when I come in? That feels okay?
Yeah.
Good. Let's just make sure. Good. Okay, let's stand up and see. You're gonna kind of shake that out and what do you? How you feel? This is better. That's level. Obviously, I'm not gonna change this, but how does that feel now when you do your? Yeah.
Shoulders are even.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, do that again. Yeah. Yeah. Good. And how's that feel?
Good.
Feel like you can, anything else you want to check or hips feel good, neck feels good?
Yeah, because right now it's just all about just being level.
Yes. Yeah.
Because I'm not squatting, I'm not going to do anything like that.
Yeah. No, this looks good. You're level here and just had a little bit of rotation here, but your back moved really well. I
Okay.
mean,
Like I
that was
said,
the easiest part of today.
I've been just catching myself anytime I'm laying down. If my hips are slanted, I try to fix it right away.
Yeah.
I also got new cushions. So
Okay.
I'm trying to because the ones before were sunken in. So that made a difference as to why I was, sinking my hips in. But when I go to bed, I'm trying not to sleep on my right side as much.
Yeah.
Because that's, I've noticed I'm cupping up and I don't want that.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
everything else seems
Good.
fine.
Okay. All right. Let's just make sure all those areas are good. Yep. Good. Perfect. Perfect. Looks good. Yeah. Want to do the thing?
Do the thing.
Yeah. Let me see it from the front. Yeah.
So like when I do like a front double, you can see the lats. Which one's bigger?
That one. Yeah. This one. But this is the one I worked on to lengthen that out a little bit because if it was bound up a little bit. Okay. But I mean, we're talking about like.
Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, but I'm just saying you can see which one.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm also weird. I can watch people walk down the street and be like, oh, their hips are really out of.
Just the Cairo in you.
No, I'm so weird. Okay, but we're so excited. We love having Mikey back. Michael.
Mike, whatever. Whatever you want. Whatever you
So
want.
thanks for watching. We're going to cheer him on Saturday. I'm going pro, right?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
After that, we'll try to go pro.
Okay. Anyway. See you in the next video.